Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front inside door handle on this 2003 Honda Civic. Same as most of this generation, 2001 to 2005. The only tools you'll need are a small flat blade screwdriver and a regular size and smaller size Phillips screwdriver.
Okay, to remove an inside door handle, use a small screwdriver. There's a little indent right up here. Put the screwdriver in there, pull this door down, and there's two Phillips screws in there.
And speed up here as we just remove those two Phillips screws.
Okay, now you kind of pull it back and out. And there's a little clip here. Take your thumb or maybe a screwdriver and pry that clip off. Okay, and pull that up and out, and now your harness here just has a little tab here. Push in and remove. Okay, then you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws that hold your lock switch in. You may need to swap over this bracket. Okay. And to reinstall. Obviously my handle's in good shape, so I'm just reinstalling it for you. But you put your lock switch on the new handle. Okay. Plug this back in. Pull your rod out a little bit, put that back in there, and flip that clip back around and lock it on. Okay, kind of put the front end first, put it in place.
Fast forward, putting those two Phillips screws back in and tighten them up nice and firm. Don't over tighten them though, and tighten them firm with your Phillips screwdriver.
Put your screws back in. The two tabs go to the bottom. Lock that back in place.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.